Hello, Don Miner here. Let's go today to show you how we might be able to come up with a green screen fairly cheap and make it still effective to do what we need to do. Make some better quality videos for ourselves and be able to put some backgrounds behind us and do some neat stuff you see a lot of these other guys doing. This is a pretty cheap way of coming up with doing it. I believe it should work out well. What I've taken is went to the fabric store. I've gotten some light green felt, which should work out good, not non-reflective and light, so it should work out fairly well. It should be easy to keep the wrinkles out of, hopefully. What I intend to do is put that on a rod. We'll staple it to it using some 3/8 staples, my hand staple gun, so that way I can roll it up and help to keep it clean. And also I'm going to put one on the bottom to weight it to help pull it down and keep the wrinkles and stuff out, and do the same on it, staple it to the bottom. After I'm done, I'm going to take some twine. I will tie it to the top around the edges out here and drape it over the top, and then I will get me a couple of hooks that I can hang it on so I can adjust it out where I need it. That way I can do some videos and put some backgrounds behind it. I'm going to work on it here a little bit, see how it goes, and you can kind of watch me here for a little bit, and we'll take it from there. I think the biggest trick right now is going to be getting the center. So, getting the center and getting it straight is going to be the two biggest things. Now, on total price of this project, I got about $60 and everything. I should have went a little bigger with the green. I realized that now after I went and got it. I could have probably went and got a little bit bigger size of felt and made my screen a lot bigger, because I got to make it longer to the floor. Right now I only need it 6 foot, so that may be a problem down the road. That's one of the reasons why I'm just stapling this to this, because if it's not what I want and not quite long enough, or I seem to be making me the need to make adjustments to it, I can simply take it back off. So that is the main reason why. Oops, I guess it probably helped if you put the staples in the gun first. At least the right size, because I'm not sure what's in here. I chose the 3/8 because they weren't real long. It should sink fairly well. Probably looks like about what I had in here to start with. It was. So, looks like I was good to go and didn't know it. So we'll just go ahead and put these back in here. And we'll take it from there. We've loaded the gun now, we'll try again. I figure my biggest challenge is going to be keeping this clean, no matter what I do. So that's the reason why I decided to try to get something that would roll it up. Looks like the staples are going to be about the right length that I wanted. They're going to seem just about right. I seem to be having a problem with wanting to cling to my board. But we can get around that. It'll only take a second. Well, there we go. Give me 1 second. second, gun jammed. I'm going to stop it for a second. Okay, I had a little difficulty there, some stuff with the staple gun. I had to repair it, but to kind of keep from dragging this out forever, I'm just going to simply tell you what I went ahead and did. Okay, what I've done is I centered it out. I stapled every 6 to 8 inches going across here on these. I attached one from the bottom and one to the top. That way I can roll it up and tie it together when I'm done so I can store it. I also added a piece of string across the top, or twine, and I made it fairly long so I could use it to adjust it with whenever I wanted to hang it on something, or hooks or something, so I could make it adjustable to the height that I needed. And again, I can use the end of the twine to help tie it up. So, let me go ahead after this, and we're going to see if we can get a place to hang this up here real quick. See what we're going to have problems with lighting or not, and see what we can do from there as far as doing a test shot. Now, as far as software to use, I'm going to be using Camtasia. I believe you can use also Movie Maker, and there's a couple other ones I think that will allow you to pick this color out of the background so you can put whatever you want behind yourself in the video. Okay, let me see what I can do here about finding a place to hang this up, and then we're going to go ahead and do our test shot. As you can see, we got the screen up. I got it up on the hooks, and we got it hung out and tried to get as many of the wrinkles out as we could. And we're just going to do a test shot here anyway to see how this all pans out and see if it works the way I think it will. Now, again, you've seen this at donminer.com. This is a cheap way to make a green screen so you can do it at home yourself and not have a whole lot of money tied up into it. So just remember where you found it. I'm glad to see you showed up here, and I hope you come back to view many more of my videos. Thank you.